Hello, this is Maria, and this is my video tutorial of blogs as a manager this time. So in order to be able to explore blogs, we have to go to the manager area through here, my courses, or we could also do it from the discussion forum on the third week. But anyway, I'm just gonna click here since I'm right here now. And it's not responding. There we are. Wow. It seems like I have to turn editing on. For some reason there is some... It's not responding. Technology can be frustrating at times, but we can't live without it. Well, obviously some people have been here and they have added a lot of blogs already. But I'm going to delete them, and I'm going to keep just the ones that I would use in my course. Of course, depending on the kind of course that you want to make, according to the course that you want to make, you will decide which blogs are useful for the students for that particular course. So here we have the blogs. Let me... This seems like a good one. It helps to build encouragement, and it's motivating for the students. So maybe I will keep this one. And this is the navigation block. I'm gonna keep this one too. And then let me delete the rest and try to add some other blocks. You see, I clicked on the button, it asks for confirmation. Yes. Things are really slow today. Okay. And I'm going to delete this one as well. Okay. Sharing cart. Well, this one might be useful because it will help students to move things from one place of the course to another. So I think I will just leave this one. I don't think this is one of the primary blocks at the moment, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and now let's see what we have. I'm going to keep the administration block as well. Okay, and now let's go and add some more blocks. If we click here, we see the full list, and it's really hard to make a choice because all these blocks are really quite useful, but I think that any course would need an activity block. So I will click on adding that one. Yes. Add activities. And now that we're resuming the tutorial, we see the activities block is added and it has forums, which is important in any course. For some reason it just didn't want to work automatically. I had to wait, so I paused for a second. Let's see what else we might want to add. I would definitely have a calendar, because students would find it useful. There it is. And let's click on, if I click here I can move it somewhere else manually. Well, I don't want it like that though. Let's try this way to configure it. This is a better way to put it right where we want. We don't need to touch this information here, only on this page. We want it visible. I'll change, and you put it on the footer left, and save changes. Let's see. Yep, here's my calendar. Now let's add some more blocks. I think that I would also use a checklist because it's I think students find it motivating and it helps them try to complete their assignments on time. Let's see where we put this one. I think I would put it on the left. It's right there. And I think that it would be nice to have latest badges. Students would enjoy to see the badges they earn as they make progress through the course. So I think it's good to have something like that. Um, and let's put this one on the left as well. A blog might be a good idea if we want our students to be encouraged to start blogging. It depends on the kind of course you want to create. But I would also add a comments blog. I think this one is essential in any type of course, because students can communicate with each other and the teachers. So it's a good idea to have one. And what else? If we wanted and we thought it would be helpful for the students, we would add portfolio, but let's see what else is people. Well, I think I would add this one too, because when you're on an online environment, it feels kind of lonely. So I think that if you have a blog like People and like online users, it sort of feels like being in a classroom, because you see that there are other people who are studying with you. So you need to know who are the participants in your course. And I think it helps building up that sense of community. So I would definitely keep this one. Let me put it on the other side. This is already a long video tutorial. Don't think I have much time left, so let's wrap it up and see what else I would use. Search forums, yeah, everything seems useful. Upcoming events, oh, this is definitely a must, because the students need to know what is happening, which webinars they're about to attend. So it's pretty important, and I think that we can't have a course without it. So yeah, I'm keeping it on the right, and I'm going to make it maybe the second one. Okay. Well, I'm running out of time.